Leek, shallot, green onions. They're all part of the allium family of vegetables, and the leek is one of those plants that most people don't know what to do with in the kitchen. I'm meeting with leek grower Tim Terpstra to learn what makes the leek a perfect crop in the Skagit Valley.
You know, we grow what grows well here. This is a good kind of cool, wet marine climate. It's a slow-growing crop, and they can overwinter here. You know, they're tolerant to pretty cool temperature. Yeah, so Washington leeks, this is just a good climate.
Yeah, leeks are an excellent source of vitamin K, and after a quick tutorial, I took a turn at harvesting.
Right out.
Baby.
Oh, see? Skilled work, farm labor.
Sorry.
And it should just pop right out. Don't worry about crushing the leaves. There you go. Good.
Did it that time. It didn't ruin anything.
Later, I talked with Tim about some of his challenges as a farmer in the Skagit Valley.
One of the reasons that we grow leeks is because they don't have a lot of pest and disease problems. There are little things, they get thrips, but we haven't really seen much problem with that. It's meaningful work, you know? I mean, people have to eat. We're growing healthy food. We're growing it what we think is the best way to grow it, organically, and we have really good people that work with us on the farm.
Tim says they work hard to find a balance between irrigating their farm while also protecting the salmon and water resources.
We do a lot of irrigating here in the Skagit. We have, of course, on our pump that's taking water out of the river, we have got a big kind of screen on it so that we're not sucking up any salmon or anything like that. We try to be responsible with our timing, so we try to just put on the amount of water we need and nothing else.
To better understand some of the conservation challenges farmers of the Skagit Valley face, I'm meeting with Brandon Rusin with the Western Washington Agricultural Association to ask him what makes this area so unique.
Really, this is only a couple places throughout the world can mirror what we have here. We just have a tremendous opportunity to grow a number of different crops.
What other kind of issues do the landowners kind of run into in this area?
In the turn of the late 1800s, mid 1800s was diked and drained for this, what we see around us. And some folks would like to return that back to its pre-existing condition and restore it to salmon habitat. And of course, our job at my organization is to balance that desire, that need to recover salmon, Chinook salmon, with the needs of our growers and the need to keep an agricultural economy and industry vibrant and well here. It's very easy that this could turn into shopping malls or parking lots or houses and a number of different things. But these folks here are managing this ground and this landscape
For the long term.
For the long term, you betcha. You know, that's truly a tremendous testament to the folks who came before to create this and the ongoing work that's being done to preserve it.